Now in this lecture I'm going to talk about strings. So it's a very small topic and it is related with the reading of strings. So actually we people have got two methods to read the strings. One is the same old one, using cin object of iStream class. Another is using getLine method of iStream class. Anyways, let me show you so we can open a project using this. I will tell you another technique also. On the home screen you can press this create a new project also. Okay, as usual, console application, go. Okay, then next, C++, right? Project title could be anything. Your project will be saved with this name. GNU GCC compiler is to be used for code blocks. Main.cpp. Okay. So in this program what I am going to do is I am going to declare a variable for country name. We will be reading the values for the country name, and if the country name or whatever string you are going to input happens to be single word string, you will see no problem is there. But if we read multi-word strings, that is going to be problematic. So anyways, let's see. I'm going to use simple cin extraction operator country underscore name, which happens to be of a string. As you know, country underscore name is string. String is nothing else but character array, which you have already learnt in C language. Okay. So I'm going to print this message, name of the country, and again extraction operator, and followed by the variable name country underscore name. So let me execute the program. Email it, yes. Oops, it's going to be erroneous because I have made some mistake. Let's find it. Okay, I have endl. Let me rectify it. Endl. Okay, so let's re-execute the program. So enter the country name, it's going to be India. The result is good. India is being printed. Now I'm again going to execute the program, and this time over I'm deliberately going to give a multi-word string like United States of America. I will press enter and I will see what cout is going to bring. See, this is a problem. It's printing United. Only the first word of the string is being printed. So what is the problem? Problem is cin. When we people use cin to read a string, it picks up only the first word. If it is going to be multi-word strings, the rest of the words will not be picked up. So what is the solution? Instead of using simple cin, what you can do is you can use a method called getLine. GetLine method happens to be a member method of iStream class. Cin is an object of iStream class. So the syntax goes like this. It has got two arguments. First one is like I have given country underscore name of the string, and second one like I have given 50 is the size of the string. So again I am going to do this. Oops, I think there is some problem with the code. Okay, this is again let me execute some. There is some problem. I think as far as getLine is concerned, L should be small. Okay, now the program should run in a perfect manner. Yes, now I am going to give United States of America. See, the output is quite good. United States of America. Now this multi-word string is printed because instead of using cin we have used